So a question that has been flooding my DMs recently is, what are the mock exams provided by BBE where the actual exam takes place? Let me break it down for you. So first of all, I would like to say that they're not mandatory, they don't influence anything, they're not graded, they don't influence your rank on the exam day. But what they do influence is technical difficulties. So if you didn't take any of them, your technical IT support request during the exam, in case you run into a technical difficulty, will be moved back to the end of the queue, and there you have to wait quite some time. Because of course the request of people who took one of them and they tried it out and it worked, but it doesn't work now on the exam day, will be prioritized and will get a faster response. And also, pro tip here, please take a screenshot that you took one of them or both of them, so you have proof, just in case they ask for it or they don't see it in the platform. So yeah, regarding the content of them, they're there not for the content part, they're there for the platform part, so that you get used to the sticky note feature, to the flag item feature, to the calculator feature, to the online notepad feature, how to erase stuff, and so on and so forth. Because content-wise, mock exam 1 will not have exam questions, they will just be random geography, history questions like you see in the Wiseful guide. And a small comment here is that in one of the questions in mock exam 1, if it's a mathematical question and we haven't changed it so far, there will be equations, and you have one part and the answer part, and there the decimal, like the comma and the dot, they mean different things in different parts, so they don't really, the answers are very hard to match because it's very confusing, because depending to which standard you stick, sometimes the dot means like the thousand separated to make the numbers look nice and presentable, and the comma means the decimal point, or vice versa. Depending where, but on the exam where it will be crystal clear what is what. And I remember this very well because one of my students sent me a video saying, Maria, what's happening? We cannot solve question 1 of mock exam 1. Why is it like that? I was like, yeah, don't worry, it's just a typo, I guess. So since it doesn't influence anything, don't just ignore it. Mock exam 2 is not a full exam simulation, so don't expect 33 questions there. There will be just 6 questions, and they repeat themselves every year. So there you will have 3 English ones, 2 economic ones, and 1 mathematical one. And they will be rather simple because they haven't changed, I think, since 2021, but still nice to get used to the true and false format. And there will be actually a question you'll probably giggle at, because it's like, you'll see what I mean, it's pretty funny to read and to look at the obviously correct answer there. So yeah. And that's why don't stress out yourself too much, and if you have overlaps or you have exams that you have to take during this time, please at least take the mock exam 1 because it's more flexible, it's easier to take, you have more than a 24-hour time window to do so. And mock exam 2, you can take it only at a specific day, so June 12th, and only at a specific time at 10 a.m. and it will only last 1 hour. So yes, with this in mind, please do at least one of them, and best of luck on the entrance exam.